Hey, what's up YouTube? How are you guys doing today? Thank you guys so much for joining me. My name is Tobias and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have a review of a microphone that people have actually been asking me about for a while. It's the Maono AU-PM421. And if you guys follow my YouTube channel, you might think I'm crazy for doing this, but I actually bought this microphone myself. I did not get it for free, and the reason that I'm saying that's crazy is because I don't even know how many microphones I own. I definitely do not need another one. But I was so curious to try this out, I just had to buy it. And let's just take a quick look at the Amazon page. So this microphone goes for $79.99, comes with free shipping and also free returns. As usual, I'll have a link to this Amazon page down in the description of this video in case you want to check it out yourself. And let's go ahead and jump right into this. As usual, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing followed by a demonstration followed by a review. And if at any point during this video, if you decide that you actually like this video, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure you go down there and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button. And let's go ahead and start off with the unboxing. Alright guys, so this is everything that came inside the box. We pretty much got everything that comes in all of these Maono Studio microphone bundle kits. If we start over here on the left, we have some Velcro for your USB cable. Up here we have a contact card. Just to the right of that, we have the user manual. And then right here, we have this wind muff. Down here, we have the same pop filter that comes with all of these Maono microphone kits. It's a double screen pop filter, has the Maono logo on it. If you look right here, we have the actual USB condenser microphone. If you look right here, it has a mute button as well as a gain knob, which is pretty cool. The microphone is pretty heavy. It has a good amount of weight to it. It feels like it's made out of metal. It's probably some kind of aluminum. This part right here is made out of plastic. Then right here we have the USB cable, and over here we pretty much have the same shock mount that you get with a lot of these microphones. Then we have the clamp for the boom arm stand, which is up here. So you pretty much get all of this stuff in all of the Maono mic kits. The only thing that's different is the actual microphone itself. So let's go ahead and set this up and then we'll try it out. Okay guys, so I have the microphone set up on my desk and I have it plugged into my computer. I'm going to be recording audio into Logic Pro X. And since this microphone does not have a headphone jack on it, the way I'm going to monitor the audio is I'm going to plug headphones into my Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. It's an audio interface. If you don't have an audio interface, you could also just plug your headphones into your computer directly if you want to monitor the audio from this microphone. And then what you're going to have to do in whatever program you're recording to, you're going to have to enable software monitoring. All the audio that you've heard up until this point has been through the shotgun microphone on top of my camera. So on the count of 3, we're going to switch over to this microphone right here. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, so now the audio that you are hearing is coming from the Maono AU-PM421. Sorry guys, I'm peaking a little bit. I need to turn my gain down a little bit. Let's see what happens when I turn it all the way down. This is the gain all the way down. I think it's still picking up some audio. Let's go ahead and turn the gain up. Let's turn the gain up. Let's turn the gain up. Let's turn the gain up. I'm just gonna keep turning it up until I think this is a pretty comfortable level. So that is really cool that it does have that gain knob on the front of the microphone. The mute button, it's actually not like an actual button. It's just like a touch thing. It's like you just touch. And now we're unmuted. So that's how the mute button works. Really cool that it has that. The only thing that this microphone does not have that some people might want is a headphone jack for zero latency monitoring. So next, I'm not going to say anything and let's just listen for a noise floor. Check, check. I mean, there is a noise floor, but it's not loud at all. Let me go ahead and do some typing on my keyboard, which I have pretty much directly behind the microphone. This is how it sounds when I'm typing on my keyboard. Now I'm going to move around from left to right. I'm going to move to my left. I'm moving to the left. I'm moving to the side. Now I'm going to move to the other side and pass by the front of the microphone. I'm moving to the other side. This is how it sounds. Now I'm going to go ahead and move backwards from the microphone. I'm moving backwards from the microphone. I'm about 2 feet away, moving back about 3 feet away. I'm going to go ahead and stand about 6 feet away. Now I'm roughly 6 feet away from the microphone, and I'll go ahead and sit right in front of it again. I'm going to now get rid of the pop filter, and I'm going to put the wind muff on top of the microphone. Alright, now I have the wind muff in place of the pop filter, and this is what it sounds like when I'm whispering right on top of the microphone. I'm whispering so I don't peak. And let's go ahead and move away again. So far, I'm really impressed by this. Let me just go ahead and mess around with that gain a little bit more. Alright, yeah, the gain knob is really cool. So I think that pretty much does it for the demonstration part. I'm going to go back and listen to this audio that I just recorded with this microphone, and I'll come back and I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay guys, so I just went back and listened to that audio. I think it sounds very clear. I'm just trying to, 1 second. I was peaking a little bit there. Alright, that was my fault. Sorry about that, guys. I love having the gain knob on the microphone. Having a gain knob on the microphone almost replaces that gain knob that you would get on an audio interface like my Scarlett Focusrite 2i2. It's very convenient. And the audio, I gotta say, sounds very clear. Now I'm curious to see how this microphone compares to the other Maono microphones. Maono makes several USB condenser microphones. I've even tested out an XLR microphone by them. And so far, I've been, I've had a good experience with all their condenser microphones that I've tested up until this point. So in the end, guys, the noise floor of this microphone, very low. And besides that, we don't seem to be getting any sort of interference or anything like that. Another thing is the software monitoring is coming through very well. I've tested out some cheaper USB condenser microphones in the past by brands that I've never really heard of before, and one of the main complaints that I've had about a couple of those microphones is that when you go to do the software monitoring, there's a huge delay between what you're recording and what you're hearing. So this microphone definitely does a great job of that, and now I can't wait to compare this Maono microphone to some of the other USB condenser Maono microphones that I have. So stay tuned for future videos of mine if you want to see me comparing this microphone to others. And if you came across this video because you're deciding whether you want to buy this microphone or not, I would say that this is a safe buy. I bought this microphone myself and I am not disappointed. But of course, you guys heard the same exact audio that I'm hearing. I would love to know what you guys think down in the comments below. And I think that pretty much wraps up my review of this microphone. I think you're getting a great microphone for a great price. So anyways, guys, if you guys did like this video or if this video helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure you go down there and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias. Here on YouTube, I post new microphone reviews every Monday. I call it Microphone Mondays. So if that sounds like something that you might be interested in, you definitely want to go down there and hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.